Hi friends, welcome to EduTech Yogi YouTube channel. Many people finding difficulty in connecting smartphone to projector or TVs by using MI stick because both your smartphone as well as projector or TV must be connected with the same Wi-Fi network. For this, you require a personal hotspot or Wi-Fi connections. In this video, I will show you how to connect your smartphone to your TV or projectors using MI TV stick simply by using your mobile hotspot itself. Are you ready to watch? Then why delay? Let's go. Inside the MI TV sticks box, there are 4 units. One is the power adapter and the other one is power cable, and this is the smart remote controller with which you can control the MI TV sticks, and this is the main unit, the MI TV sticks with HDMI. Since this is a HDMI TV sticks, your projector must have a HDMI port. First of all, insert this micro USB part of this power cable into this MI TV sticks, and this supplies the required power to this MI TV stick. Now this device is ready to plug in. If your projector having a USB port, then you can insert this directly into this projector. If there is no USB port, then use a power adapter and insert this into a power socket. Here I am using Hitachi 3 LCD projector. Now take your MI TV stick and insert it into HDMI port of your projector. Sometimes you may require additional adapter or connectors, and then insert the USB cable into the USB port of the projector. Now turn on your projector. At the same time, your Android MI TV stick will also boot up. Now the device is ready, and at this time you have to control or operate this with your smart remote controller. First of all, turn on your mobile data as well as hotspot, and then on the screen go to settings and connect this MI TV sticks with your mobile hotspot. Now my TV stick is connected with my smartphone's hotspot. Then come back and go to Google Play Store and install an app called Fastcast, both in your MI TV stick as well as in your smartphone. After installing, open this Fastcast app. This will show a screen like this. Here there are 3 options. Here go to QR cast option. Now take your smartphone and open Fastcast app in it. At the top left corner there is an option to view available device. So open it and select Fastcast, and then come back and go to the right corner. There is a display option. Tap it. Then it will show a QR code scanner option. Tap it. Allow the permission and it will open your camera to scan. Now scan the QR code below number 3, and for warm tips tap sure and then tap start now. Now my smartphone is mirrored with my projector via MI TV stick. Now whatever that are playing in my smartphone is displaying on my projector screen. For playing videos, you can also go to videos option at the left corner. If you want to stop this mirroring, again open Fastcast app and tap this power like button, and then press back button in your remote controller so that you will go out from this screen. Another smart option here is you can directly play Netflix, YouTube videos, etc. without mirroring your smartphone. Here one thing you have to remember is mirroring your smartphone in this way consumes your mobile data also. Dear friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and for education, technology and educational technology related videos, please subscribe my channel.